Hi everybody, I'm Lian Duan. Welcome back to my channel. So far, we already explored Prometheus definition, architecture, and demo how to use Prometheus monitor External Java App JVM. We are able to see the External Java App JVM metrics in Prometheus UI and Grafana dashboard. In this video, we are going to use Docker Compose to install Prometheus, Alertmanager, Grafana, and pure Java app. The pure Java app means the pure Java app is a runnable jar file. It's not web app. After you complete the video, you have a running system. Prometheus monitor pure Java app. You can see the Java app metrics in Grafana dashboard. If pure Java app stops working, you will get an alert email. The video topic is Demo Environment Detail, Target Software Docker Image Version, Demo System Overview. Use Docker Compose to install Prometheus, Alertmanager, Grafana, and pure Java app. Verify services. Test alert email. All video related to Markdown and YAML files are in my GitHub. The links are in below. First topic, Demo Environment Detail. I'd like to show my demo environment. My demo box is Oracle Linux Server version 8.4. My login user is Lian, who is able to run Docker Compose, and the sudo command. Let me remote log into my Linux box. You see cat/etc/oracle-release. The command is able to retrieve the Linux version. My Linux version 8.4. My Docker version is 20.10.6. Version check command is docker -v. This is my Docker version. Also, I use the VS Code Docker plugin to check Docker container status. If you do not use VS Code, you can run Docker command in the terminal. My Docker Compose version is 1.27.4. Your local version is higher than 1.27 should be fine. For now, the latest version is 1.29.2. Let me show my Docker Compose version. Command is docker-compose version. There is a URL for check Docker Compose and Docker compatibility metrics. Please check your version compatibility if you use different versions in my demo. Next topic, demo Docker image version. Prometheus Docker image version is 2.33.5. Alertmanager version is 0.23.0. Grafana Docker image version is on 8.4.3. Next topic, go through the demo system chart. If you have a big picture for the system, it can help you to understand the workflow and quick issue fix. The chart includes 4 Docker containers and related key configuration parts. The Docker containers are Grafana, Prometheus, Alertmanager, and the pure Java app. I'll follow the number to go through the diagram. Step 1. Prometheus monitor pure Java app. The job name is Java-app-JVM. The configure part in Prometheus.yaml. The target name is pure Java service Docker Compose service name. Step 2. I add a Prometheus data source in Grafana. Prometheus data source address is Prometheus Docker Compose service name, and the port number is 9090. Grafana dashboard uses the data source to retrieve JVM matrix data. Step 3. Prometheus.yaml file has alert manager access address and port. The alert rule is in the log Java app rules.yaml file. If the pure Java app done, the alert rule is triggered. Prometheus will send alert message to the Alertmanager. Step 4. The Alertmanager handles alert sent by the Prometheus server. It takes care of the duplicating, grouping, silencing, and routing them to the correct receiver, such as email, PagerDuty, and Slack, etc. We'll go too deep into the Alertmanager in the next video. Alertmanager has email SMTP configuration in the alertmanager.yaml file. If you use Gmail as a SMTP service. Please turn on the two-step verification and add API password, and then use the password alertmanager.yaml file. In step 5, finally we can remote log into my Linux box and access Grafana on port 300, access Prometheus on port 1990. Use port 1993 to access Alertmanager UI. All the 3 addresses are in localhost. Alright, we have a system picture. Next, use the Docker compose to install Prometheus, Alertmanager, Grafana, and pure Java app. Make sure your system has the same folder structure. The folder and the file you can clone from my Git repository, as I mentioned in the video start. Also, please change the SMTP server username and password in the alertmanager.yaml file. This is my Docker compose YAML file. There are 2 key points. Prometheus network is created and used to services talk to each other. Containers run as a root user to avoid configuration file permissions issue. This is not best practice, only for my demo to quick show. There's a video and the Docker file has a detail how to run container without root user. If you have any questions, please add a comment in below. Let me run Docker compose file. Go to YAML file folder. Docker compose file in there. You'll see docker-compose space up space -d to run Docker compose in the background. Docker containers are running and then verify services. Let me remote log into my box. Zoom out the screen. First, check Prometheus. The access address is localhost 1990. First, check Prometheus status. Go to the menu status and then go down to the targets. Pure Java app targets running. Next, take a look at the alert rule. It's under the menu status rules. Rules created. The rules used to when the target down will send alert message to the alert manager. Next, check alert manager. The address is localhost 8083. Alert manager is running. Third, check Grafana. Address localhost 3000. Cannot log in because my Firefox version is not on the support matrix for Grafana. We use the Chrome to log into Grafana. Localhost. The address localhost 3000. I already logged in before the video, so the Grafana has my credential cached. If you first time log in, the default username is admin and default password is admin. Based on the system big picture, as I mentioned before, first we have to add data source. Already in there, Prometheus 93, and the data source was added. The address is Docker compose Prometheus service name. I will create separate videos for more detail about the data source. Next, check dashboard. How to import the JVM dashboard? Please check my previous video. We are able to see the JVM matrix in the dashboard. And then finally, test alert rule when the target pure Java app down. Stop the pure Java app container. Go to the Prometheus UI. Go down to the targets. Target change the status from up to down. This is right behavior. Next, go to the Alertmanager UI. There is one alert message since the monitor target is down. Finally, check my Gmail. We got one alert email. The alert email uses the default email template by Alertmanager. All the topics are completed. Today we go through my demo environment detail, which Docker image and version I use in my demo. Give you the system big picture. Next I show use Docker compose to install Prometheus, Alertmanager, Grafana, and pure Java app. Verify all the containers and see when the pure Java services is done, Alertmanager send email to my Gmail account. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. and it works, do not forget to like it. If you want to be notified whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something was not clear in the video, please post them in a comment section below, and I'll try to answer. Thank you, and see you in the next video.